What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream from the Scalar Learning channel. And it's Friday. Hope you guys are having an excellent Friday. I know some places in the world where you're watching me, it is the morning, like here in Los Angeles, even in New York. It's only 10:30 in the morning. I know we got a lot of international folks watching, checking us out. It's probably later in the day. But for everybody, wherever you're at, whatever time it is, happy day. Even if it's potentially Saturday, but hope you're having a great day. Hope you're having a great start to your weekend. I'm super excited. Let me just make sure the audio is coming through. Like I said, I always got to do this. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so I'm very excited. This has been really, really fun for me. I love doing these consecutive study sort of build-ups to the August test. I know the August test is a big test. A lot of people take it. And I am happy to help. So this is super exciting. I did want to reiterate that we are having a competition right now. So if you do want to be entered into a drawing for a free hour of tutoring, and this will probably happen. I assume a lot of folks that are entering are prepping for the SAT coming up. So we'll have the drawing on Thursday, and hopefully I'll be able to work with you by Thursday or Friday before the SAT. So we'll get in that 1 hour. To enter the competition, all you got to do, it's super easy. You just click on this link here. And what it is you'll just basically be helping me trying to get a spot to speak at South by Southwest about teaching other teachers how to teach on YouTube. All you got to do is go there, give me an upvote. You may have to create a quick profile if you don't have one, but it takes 15 seconds. Create a profile, give me an upvote, and then leave a comment. That's how I'll know you'll be entered into the competition, because then I'll see your name in the comments and you'll be in the drawing and stuff, and then we're going to have the raffle on Thursday. So anyways, yeah, I'd love it. And I mean, honestly, I'd love to work with you. And also that would just be really helpful for me because I really want to speak there this year. I think it'd be phenomenal to share kind of what I've been able to do with everybody in terms of helping them. What a lot of other folks, not just me, a lot of other folks have done amazing things on YouTube. So the more talented teachers and tutors that we get on YouTube, the better it is for you and everybody who's trying to learn whatever they're trying to learn. So that's it. Raphael, thank you for that. Toyabat, yay, what's up? Chris, what's up? Dhruva, Faith, hi. Namit, hi. It's 16:30. Oh, wow. 14. So that's 4:30, I guess, in the afternoon. Wait, okay, wow. That's way later. Zambia, so cool. So amazing that we have people all over the world. I've never been to Zambia. I really want to go. Hey, man, my SAT is, and I don't feel good. I want to score and apply for college in the USA. From Lebanon, what's up, my friend? I got a lot of friends in the U.S. that their families are from Lebanon. Yeah, I got advice. I mean, there's two main things I'll say to you. One, practice. Two, follow these streams. Look at my channel. I got stuff on everything related to math. So you're at the right place, man. I really do think so. I really do think you found the right channel and the best place for SAT math. We're trying to build up the verbal side. But anyways, without further ado, hello, Abednav and Victoria and Anurag. All right, here we go. Rashid and Ashik. Okay, we are going to end Kapilanch, if I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. I apologize if not. Welcome. Let's do it. Here we go. We're going to start the timer at 25 minutes. We're starting October 2020. No calculator. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Tobias rented a kayak from Sports Equipment Store. For the rental, the store charged $60 per day plus $25 for the delivery. If Tobias would charge a total of $60 per day, number of days, plus $25 for the delivery. Total charge $325. How many days did he rent the kayak? That's days. Boom. Let's solve. Subtract 25. Subtract 25. Again, this is no calculator. My favorite section. 300 equals 60x. Divide both sides by 60. Ooh, I don't like that I wrote on the next question. Divide both sides by 60. Boom. And we get x equals 5. Boom. Done. Next. Numero dos. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? Okay, just get rid of the parentheses because they're not doing anything. Plus 3x minus 4 plus 3xy squared minus 8x plus 4. Okay, combine like terms. This combines with this. That's 5xy squared. That combines with that. Negative 5x. Those cancel out. 5xy squared minus 5x. Boom. Done. Right? Okay. The function f. Hold on. Let me just check one thing really quickly. I want to make sure something. I know I've done a lot of these tests before, and I'm just double checking. Pretty sure I have. Yeah, I did this like 9 months ago. Anyways, usually I like to take these tests for the first time in real time. Of course, this is going to be redoing some of the tests. The April 13th one, though, is new. I haven't done that yet, so I'm excited about that. Anyways, function f is defined by this. What is the value of f of 2? Plug and chug. So the 2 plugs in for the x, so it's 3 to the second power, which is 9. Boom, done. Numero 4, the graph of f is shown. According to the graph, what is the value of f of 0? Again, this is function notation. This means what is the y value when x equals 0? X equals 0 here. The y value, therefore, is -8. Done. Number 5, the function h is defined above. For what value of x is h of x equal to -2? Now they want to know, they're giving you the function value, the y value. So you plug that in, excuse me, for h of x. You set that equal to this, plus 2. Distribute. We're going to solve for x. Actually, no, let's not distribute. Got a better idea. Let's subtract 2. -4 equals -4 times x minus 1. Now, we could distribute, but instead, I'm going to save a step and divide everything by -4. That goes away. Then I have 1 equals x minus 1. Add 1 to both sides. Boom, boom. You can see x equals 2. But we'll plug it back in. Plug 2 in, and we're going to double check. 2 minus 1 is 1 times -4 is -4, plus 2 is -2, which is the function value that we should get for this particular x value. Done. The equation above expresses the temperature C in degrees Celsius in terms of the temperature R in degrees Rankine. Which of the following expresses the temperature in degrees Rankine in terms of the temperature in degrees? Okay, this is isolating quantity. So all we do is we multiply both sides by 9/5 first. So I have 9/5 C equals R minus 491.67. Then we add 491.67. So it's going to be, here, I'll just write it out. 9/5 C plus 491.67 equals R. 9/5 C. It's this one. Just make sure. Yeah, these are the wrong fractions, and it should be plus, not minus. Cool. 7. A geographer found that the land area of Aruba is 75 square miles and the land area of Bermuda is 19 square miles. Okay. Based on these data, the geographer used the equation blank to estimate the total number of residents T of the 2 islands. Which is the best interpretation of X? Got it. So I always like to answer these in my mind before I look at the answer choices. So since this is probably the Aruba and it's 75 square miles, so if we're doing the total population, my assumption is X is the amount of people per square mile in Aruba, because if there are like 2 people per square mile, it would make sense that this would give me the total amount of people in Aruba, 2 times 75 miles, which would be 150, 3, 225, so on and so forth. Nope. Nope, that would be 75. Nope, that would be T. Yeah, this is it. Boom, done. They said population density. I said population per square mile, same thing. Here we go. What is the sum of the solutions to the given equation? Again, the shortcut is -b over a, where this is a, that's the invisible 1, b, and c. So it's -12, which is positive 12, over 1, which is 12. Boom, done. But if you want to do it the old school way, you can as well. We got plenty of time, so why not? Just factor x minus 5, x minus 7, right? Multiplies 35, adds to -12. That gives me a solution of 5 and 7. Add them up, and it's 12. Also, not too shabby. Okay, number 9. In the right triangle above, sine of x equals 5 over 8. What is the value of cosine of y? They're equal. Because sine of an angle equals cosine of its complement. These guys are complements because they're the little acute angles in a right triangle, so it's the same, 5/8. Okay. 9, 10. In the xy plane above, point F not shown is placed so that triangle AB... Wait. In the xy plane above, point F is placed so that triangle ABC is similar to DFE. Wait. Yeah. Okay, we want similar triangles. Hold on a second. Okay, got it. I want to see something here. What is the side lengths of these guys? So this is 2, 3. So it's 4, 9. So this is square root of 13. This is 1, 3. So I'm doing Pythagorean here in my head. 1 squared plus 3 squared is 9. So this is square root 10. And then this is 1, 4. So square root of 17. So it's like that. Square root of 10, square root of 13, square root of 17. So what is the distance of this one? I know I've done this before, but this is quite hard. Hold on. So then this one is 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 36 plus 4 is 40, square root of 40. So this is, oh, I think I get it. So this is 2 square root 10. So this must be matched up with this length. And then the other point... Got it. I get it. I found an easier way to do it. Check this out. So now that I know that this matches up with this, so this is 1, 3. This is 2, 6. You see? So now, to get the next point, I would go, it's over 1, 4. Instead, it's going to be 2, 8. You see? So I go, you see, it's in the same proportion. It's basically double. So I go 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is presumptuous, by the way. I mean, they could have put the point up here. I don't know. Let's just roll with this and see if this makes sense, because this should work. Oop. So that would be... This thing is a little glitchy sometimes. So this is theoretically the triangle I'm coming up with. So I'm saying it would be 1, 2, 3, 4... Yeah, 4, -10. And it's B. I see it, and that's got to be the winner. Let me think if there's anything else that would work. Let's look at 3, -6. That would definitely not work. That would be a weird triangle. You might have just been able to honestly plot these and sketch it, because that would have... 6, -1 doesn't even make any sense. That would be here. Yeah, you didn't even need to do the analysis that I did, honestly. You could have plugged and chugged 6, -7. You would have seen that all of them didn't make sense, that they wouldn't have produced a similar triangle. So I went a little overboard there, but that's okay. We still got 16 minutes, plenty of time. Which of the following is the value of y? Okay, system of equations. Let's do a little substitutiones. Actually, wait. Yeah, I'm going to isolate. I normally always do elimination. I'm going to change it up. X equals y minus 3. Let's plug it in, because we're going to solve for y. I could have just substituted this in for y, but then I'd have another step. So I'm going to plug in y minus 3 for x down here. So 2 times y minus 3 minus y equals 0. Then we get 2y minus 6 minus y equals 0. Then we get 2y minus y is y minus 6 equals 0. Add 6 to both sides, y equals 6. Okay, now we're going to verify. If y is 6, that means x is 3. And we're going to plug it in. So obviously it works up here. Let's plug it in here. Make sure. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 6 is 0. Boom, done. Numero 12. The function AT models the number of liters in fluid in a tank after T hours. Which of the following models the number of liters after M minutos? Okay, so check it out. Here's the deal. This is the way to cut through all the nonsense in a problem like this. These are, I know, can be really tricky. Simple. I know that for 1 hour, if I plug in 1, I should get 100. Oh, sorry. Say T. 1 should be 100. I know if I plug in 2 hours, I should get 2 squared is 4 times 50 is 200. I could do the third one, but I don't need to. It would be 400, but it's fine. Okay. Now down here, for the same equation, so we're talking about minutes, I should get 60 minutes 100, because it's an hour. I should be able to plug in 120 minutes and get 200, etc. All right. So let's work our way from here up. Obviously, if I plug in 60, this is going to be some insanely huge number. It doesn't make sense. If I plug in 60 here, oh, look at that. I get 60 over 60 is 1. I do get 100. But then if I plug in 120, I get 2 to the 1/2 power. That's like square root out. This one, ridiculous. Plug in 60, that'd be 2 to the 3600th power. That's going to be so astronomically huge, it doesn't make sense. So it's going to be A. But now look, I will verify. Plug in 60. 60 over 60 is 1. I do get 100. Plug in 120 over 60. That's 2. 2 squared is 4. We get 200. Nailed it. 13. In the given equation, k is a constant. If the equation has exactly uno solution, which of the following could not be the value of k? So it has exactly one solution, which means that k can't be 3. Because if k is 3, then these two equations are identical, and that means that there's infinite solutions, you know? So we as long as it's not 3, we're good. It's 4, it's fine. 4, the solution would be 0. Actually, a lot of these, well, actually, that's funny. Yeah, everything else, the solution is going to be 0 as long as k is not 3. But anyways, you don't need to know that. How many solutions does this equation have? Interesting. Okay, I'm just going to FOIL and combine like terms. So on the left side, it's x squared minus 4x. On the right side, since it's a difference of squares, it's x squared minus 1. Now, if you FOILed it, you'll see that anyways, but because it's x squared, positive x, negative x cancel out, and negative 1. All right. Now, these guys cancel because they're both positive and whatever. So now it's negative 4x equals negative 1. X equals, divide by negative 4, 1/4. So it just has one solution. Let me make sure that's right. Wait a minute. If I plug in 1/4, that's negative 3.75 times a fourth, 0.25 or whatever, equals on the left side. Maybe I should do fractions. It'd be easier. 3.75 is 3 3/4, 15 fourths. 15 fourths times 1/4, which is 15 sixteenths. And then on this side, we'd get negative 15 sixteenths. And then on this side, we'd get negative 3/4 times 5/4. Yeah, it's the same. Okay, I think that's good. I think I'm happy there. 15, if n is a positive integer, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? What is that? Is that division? Yeah, I think so. 2 to the 2 over n power times nth root of 3. It's weird notation. Okay. Strange, very strange. Oh, okay, I get it. So the way to rewrite this is really 2 squared, that's the power, and then that's the root. Oh, sorry. It should be to the nth root, times the nth root of 3, which means 2 squared is 4, nth root of 4 times nth root of 3. Now they have the same root, so they can kind of interact. So you can multiply the 4 and the 3, and it's the nth root of 12. Done. All right, now we're on to the free response section. So we should see a little drop in difficulty. Several values of x and the corresponding values of y are shown in the table. A linear equation represents the relationship shown in the table x equals k. What? K is a constant. Oh, it's 2. Because it's literally x equals 2. Because look, every value is 2, 2, 2, and the y values are changing. It's x equals 2. Interesting. If 12x plus 6 equals 4, what is the value of x? All right, subtract 4x from both sides. I get 8x plus 6 equals 8. Subtract 6 from both sides. I get 8x equals 2. Divide by 8. X equals 2/8, which reduces to 1/4. That's it. 1/4. Let's plug it back in. Make sure 1/4 of 12 is 3. That's 9. 1/4 of 4 is 1. That's 9. It's correct. In the figure, triangles ABC and DBE are right triangles. What is cosine of B? So cosine of B, this is pretty straightforward. It is, you could do it either triangle, it doesn't matter because it's a shared angle. It's adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 6 over 10, which if I'll reduce it is 3 over 5. That's it. 9 minutes to go. A system of 2 linear equations has no solutions. The graph of one of the equations of the system is shown in the xy plane. The second equation in the system is ax minus y equals 1, where a is a constant. What's the value of a? So look, first I'm going to put this in the slope-intercept as I often do. I'm going to add y to that side and simultaneously subtract 1. So I'm just going to get it into this format. And then I'll just flip it around just to make it more similar to what we're used to seeing. So what is a? A is the slope, right? And we know that in order to have no solution, it's got to be parallel to this guy. And we already know it's got a different y-intercept, so that's cool. Well, what is the slope? It's going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A rise of 5 and a run of 1, 2, 3, 4. A run of 4. That's what A has to be. It's got to be the slope. That's your answer. Done. Let's just make sure I didn't make any mistakes. 1, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're good. 5/4. Yeah, cool. Amazing. Last question, 8 minutes to go. For the exponential function f. Okay, it's exponential. Hold on. For the exponential function, the table shows some values of x and corresponding values of fx. Function can be written in the form blank. P and R are constant. What is the value of r? Got it. Okay. First of all, I know what p is because when x is 0, r to the 0 is 1. So p has to be this value, 9. So I already know it's 9 r to the x. Then I get a second value, right? Which is really cool. I get 12. F of x is 12. I'll put that there. F of x is 12 when x is 1. 9r to the first, which is just r. So now I can solve for r. All I got to do is divide both sides by 9, and I get 12/9 or 4/3 if I were to reduce it. Done. Now, we're just going to verify since we have extra time. Let's make sure it's correct. Watch this. So now I know the function is f of x times 9, 4/3 to the x power. Okay, let's plug in 2 and see what we get. So if I plug in 2, this is squared, so it's 16/9 times 9. Cancel. It is 16. Verified. Done. Okay, we got 7 minutes to go, but we're going to just stop the timer and see how we did, because if we made mistakes, it's all good. We'll check them, but I think that was a pretty good run. I think we got them all. Let's see. All right. No calculator. We've got BADB. BADB. Nailed it. We've got DADC. DADC. Nailed it. We've got CBDA. CBDA. Nailed it. 13. We've got CBD. CBD. Nailed it. All right. Amazing. Now let's look at the free response. 2 is the winner. 1/4 or 0.25. Nailed it. 0.6 or 3/5. Nailed it. 5/4 or 1.25. And finally, 4/3. But they would have accepted 1.33, just FYI. But why do that, right? Amazing. All right, let's see what we got in the stream. What's up, everybody? Look at that. Oh, thank you guys for all those likes. I appreciate that. And then I know a lot of you guys click like even before the stream begins. What a vote of confidence. I can't tell you how much that means to me. Thank you. Wait, I will send the link. You can watch Bobby Tarkin's video. Okay. Let's see if we go to any questions. Yeah, Erica Melter. Everybody says that she's the best. I really got to reach out to her and talk to her in terms of her verbal stuff. Does anybody know how to find an official? Yeah, I mean, you can check on Reddit, guys. There's links on Reddit. Can you tell me how I can find? Okay, yeah. Oh, thank you, Kepler. I really appreciate it. Spread the word, my friend. And negative B over A is goated. That's amazing. Thank you, Dhruva. Shout out, please, Sai. Shout out. There's a shout out, my friend. Satyajit, you have your shout out, my friend. Nubist. I don't know. Why I see that one. Good morning, Nubist. Hey, Bahrain. Kastub, I've been to Bahrain 2 times. I love that country. It's such an amazing, amazing country. Oh, my God. I visited there first when I was 13 by myself. Visited my uncle. It's such a great country. Amazing. Cycling Freak, you are welcome, my friend. Okay, guys. I got to get my day going. But you guys have the schedule. If you don't have it for the live stream schedule, it is posted on my Instagram. So just go to Scalar Learning and you can see what day and time every live stream is. I've got another really cool video that I'm working on that I'm going to try and get out before the test. So that, keep your eyes out for that. And that is it, my friends. I have to go. Ram, you have a quick question. How the answer is B for number 10. Really, it just comes out. Look, I'll tell you this. Plot the other ones and look at the triangles they form. And you'll see only the one that's B, -10, 4, -10, gives you a similar triangle. That's the best I can tell you. I have done this one, yes. So I'm redoing some of the ones that I've done. I was trying to think about the best way to prepare everybody, and I was like, hey, you know what? Let's at least go through some old official ones, even though I've done them. So I hope it's still beneficial to see me do it again and just kind of watch the method. That's my hope anyways. All right, my friends, thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Let's keep it rolling and join our Discord server if you haven't done so yet. A lot of people on there helping each other, so that link is in the description. Thank you so much, and thank you all for the likes, and I hope you guys do enter that review for me on the panel picker. This link that I posted before, I'll post it one more time because you can get a free hour of tutoring up to this test, okay? So just go log in. Give me an upvote, post a comment, and boom, you'll be entered into the drawing. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.